Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some useful command prompt commands in Windows 11 that can help you check system information, troubleshoot network problems, and access important tools quickly. These simple CMD commands can make managing your computer much easier. So let's get started. The first trick is open List of all drives. Open the command prompt and type driverquery. Then press enter and wait a few seconds. This command shows a list of all the drivers currently installed on your system. You will see information like the driver name, the type, the link date, and other details related to each driver. This command is very useful if you want to quickly check what drivers are installed on your computer. For example, if your hardware is not working properly, or if you suspect a driver problem, you can use this command to see the drivers available on your system. It can also help you identify outdated or problematic drivers that might be causing hardware issues or system instability. This makes it a useful tool for quickly reviewing driver information without opening multiple system settings. Now let's look at another useful command, which is check network connections. Open the search and type CMD, then open it. Just type this in command prompt and press enter. This command displays all active network connections on your computer. It shows information such as the local address, the remote address, the connection state, and the process ID, also known as PID. This is very useful if you want to see which programs are currently using your internet connection. For example, if your internet seems slow or you suspect that an application is using your network in the background, this command can help you identify it. This makes the command very useful for network monitoring and troubleshooting. Another powerful command you should know is check PC Uptime. First, open CMD from the search. Now, type the following command: netstat workstation. Then press enter. This command displays statistics about the workstation service on your computer. One of the most useful pieces of information it shows is the system uptime, which tells you how long your computer has been running since the last restart. This can be very helpful if you want to check how long your system has been active without rebooting. For example, if your computer starts running slower, checking the uptime can help you decide whether it might be a good idea to restart your system. It also shows other details related to network statistics and workstation service activity. Here is another interesting command you can try, which is find Wi-Fi password. I know that only a few people know that you can find your Wi-Fi password using the command prompt. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to do it easily, with a clear step-by-step explanation. First, go to the search bar. Type CMD. And open it. Now type this command, netch, and press enter. Now, type the following command. Hit enter, and you'll see a list of all the Wi-Fi networks stored on your computer. Next, we're going to check the details of a specific Wi-Fi network. To do that, use this command. Don't forget to replace Wi-Fi name with your actual network name. For example, if my network is called iPhone, I'll type. Once you press enter, you'll get a detailed output. Scroll down until you see the section called Security Settings. Right there, you'll find a field called Key Content, and that is your Wi-Fi password. And that's it. That's how you can easily recover your Wi-Fi password using CMD in Windows. This method is really helpful if you've forgotten your Wi-Fi password but it's already saved on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more quick Windows and tech tutorials. Up next, we have check Mac Adresse. Open CMD. Type the following command: get Mac. Then press enter. This command displays the MAC address of the network adapters on your computer. A MAC address is a unique identifier assigned to every network device, such as your Wi-Fi adapter or Ethernet card. This can be very useful if you need your MAC address for network configuration, troubleshooting network issues, or when connecting to a network that requires device identification. Instead of going through multiple settings in Windows, this command allows you to quickly find your MAC address directly from the command prompt. Another very useful command is flushdns cache. Go to Search, type CMD and open it. After typing the command, press Enter. This command clears or flushes the DNS cache stored on your computer. Your system saves DNS information to quickly access websites you have visited before. However, sometimes this stored information can become outdated or cause connection problems. By flushing the DNS cache, Windows removes the old DNS records and refreshes them the next time you visit a website. This command is commonly used when you have trouble accessing certain websites, when a website has changed its IP address, or when you want to fix some internet connection issues. And that's it. It's a quick and simple way to solve many common network problems. Here is another simple but very useful command, which is check Windows version. Type the following, WinVer, then press Enter. This command opens a small window that shows detailed information about your Windows version. You will see the Windows edition, the version number, and the build number of your operating system. This is very helpful when you want to verify which version of Windows you are using, especially when installing software, troubleshooting issues, or checking if your system supports certain features. Instead of navigating through multiple settings, you can quickly check your Windows version using this simple command. Another interesting command you can try is Open Virtual Keyboard. Go to the search and type CMD, then open it. Type this. After pressing Enter, Windows will open the on-screen keyboard. This is a virtual keyboard that appears directly on your screen and allows you to type using your mouse or touch screen. The on-screen keyboard can be very useful if your physical keyboard is not working properly or if some keys are broken. It's also helpful for accessibility purposes or when using a touch-screen device. With this command, you can quickly open the virtual keyboard without going through the Windows settings or accessibility options. This makes it a convenient shortcut, especially if your physical keyboard is not working properly or if you need a quick way to type using your mouse. Next is Open Disk Cleanup and type cleanmgr. Then press Enter. This command opens the Disk Cleanup tool in Windows. Disk Cleanup allows you to remove unnecessary files from your system, such as temporary files, system cache, and files stored in the recycle bin. Over time, these files can accumulate and take up a significant amount of storage space on your computer. By using Disk Cleanup, you can safely delete these files and free up valuable disk space. This command is especially useful if your computer is running low on storage or if you want to improve your system's performance by removing files that are no longer needed. Finally, very useful command is the ping command. First, open CMD. Type the following in command prompt, ping google.com, then press Enter. This command sends small data packets from your computer to a website or server and measures how long it takes to receive a response. In simple terms, it checks whether your computer can communicate with a specific website and how fast the connection is. When you run this command, you will see several reply messages along with the response time measured in milliseconds. This command is commonly used to test internet connectivity and check if a website or server is reachable. It's also helpful for diagnosing network issues or checking if your internet connection is stable. So those were some useful command prompt commands that can help you manage and troubleshoot your Windows 11 system more efficiently. Even though many users don't use the command prompt very often, learning a few simple commands like these can save you time and help you understand your computer better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips. tech tutorials, and useful computer tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.